Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to remove limitations from PayPal account. First, sign in to your PayPal account. Click on the Help section. In the search bar, type limitation. And select the article titled, How do I remove a limitation from my account? Inside the article, click on the Resolution Center link. You'll be taken to the Needs Your Attention section. Here, you'll see the list of actions PayPal needs you to complete. These could include verifying your identity, adding documents, confirming your address or bank details. Once you complete and submit everything required and PayPal approves your information, the limitation will be lifted. And that's it. That's how to remove limitations from PayPal account. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.